Recording in progress. Convert number to the string we have seen. And how to apply currency symbols, currency names. How can we change the currency symbols? This part we have seen. So toChar function is over. Next function is toDate function. Why we use this toDate function? Opposite to the toChar. Using toChar we are converting date to the string. Using toDate we are converting string to the date. So toDate function is used to convert string to date. So to convert the string to the date, we use this toDate function. Okay, to use this syntax is toDate of, okay, give one string here and specifying the format is optional. Second argument is format. Specifying second argument is optional here. So using toDate function, we can convert string to the date. See some examples here. For example, we are writing like this. toDate of, I am giving 25 December 2019 I am giving. So now you tell me this argument is which type now? This argument is which type now? String type. In the single quotes we are specifying means that is a string. So now this is a string type. That string will be converted to the date. Okay. So default date format is dd -mon -rr. RR means year to decides. So like this it returns. Okay, we are converting this string to the date. Okay, for example, I am writing like this. toDate of 25 December, full month name I am giving. 2019 I am giving. So now here 25 December 2019 is which type? This 25 December 2019 is which type? String. In the single quotes we are giving means this is a string. That string will be converted to the date value. What it returns now? 25 December 19 it returns. For example, I am writing like this. toDate of December 25 2019 I am giving. If we write like this, it gives error. So listen carefully here. Here we are giving one string value. So implicitly Oracle is understanding that this is one date value. So string value, this string value is in date format because of toDate. So this toDate function can understand this one, so it is converting to the date. And toDate function can understand this one also, so it is converting to the date. But toDate function is not understanding this format now. This format not understood by the toChar. So because, sorry, toDate does not understand this format. So that's why it is giving error. to date function is understanding this format, so it is converting to the date. The string that is converting to the date. To date function is understanding this format also, it is converting to the date. But to date function is not understanding this format. This format not understood by the to date. That's why it is giving error. So sometimes it cannot understand the format. In such type of situations, we have to tell the format. In which format it is there, we have to tell. So in such type of situations, use second format. This December is what? Full month name, right? December is the full month name, month. 25 is what? Date 2 digits. Okay. And 2019 is what? Year 4 digits. Like that, we have to tell the format. If you tell the format, now it returns 25 December 19. For example, I am writing like this. Here 25 12 2019 is there. This is the date value in India date format. If you write like this, now it gives error. Because to date function cannot understand this format. We have to tell this format now. What we have to write here? To date of 25 12 2019. This is in which format? First 25 is DD, 12 is MM, 2019 is YY. Like this, we have to tell the format. Now, this string will be converted to the date. So it returns 25 December 19. Observe here, all these things I am showing now. One more example I am giving. To date of, I am giving 12 25 2019. This is in which format? MM, DD, YY. Now also it returns 25 December 19. So like this string value will be converted to the date value. To convert string to the date, we have to use to date function. Observe. Select to date of. I am giving 25 December 2019 from dual. Observe here, we are passing only one argument. We are not passing second argument. Implicitly, this to date function can understand this format. This to date function converts this string to the date. We are passing string here. The string will be converted to the date. Date value it is returning. Observe here what it is returning. 25 December 19. Now, instead of writing short month name, I am writing full month name. 25 December 2019 from dual. This one also understood by the to date. So it is returning date value. This is the string converted to the date. For example, we are writing December 25 here. Now, this format cannot be understood by the to date. This format cannot be understood by the to date. It is giving error. Some error it is giving. A non-numeric character was found. It is expecting some number here. So directly string got. Okay. So that's why it is giving error. So this format not understood by the to date. In such type of situations, we have to tell this format. In this value, December is the full month name. This December is the full month name. So we are writing month. Okay, and 25 is the date 2 digits and 2019 is the year 4 digits. Like this, we are telling the format here. We are telling the format. Okay, so from dual. So what it is giving now? 25 December 19 it is giving. So just we are telling this is which format we are telling. It is returning date value. This is the string converted to the date. Okay. For example, we are giving like this. Select to date of I am giving this date value as, in India date format, I am giving 25/12/2019. From DL I am giving, what it is giving? Error it is giving, not a valid month it is giving. Okay, so we are writing like this. We have to tell the format now. So this is the string. The string we want to convert to the date. So here 25 take as date 2 digits, 12 is the month 2 digits, and 2019 is the year 4 digits. Like this we are telling the format. Now it can convert this string to the date. Observe. After telling this format, it is converting string to the date. Similarly, I am giving this value as 12/25/2019. 12/25/2019 from dual I am writing. So what it is telling? Not a valid month. Some error it is giving. So it is not understanding the format, so it is giving error. So we have to tell this format. This is in which format? DD YYYY from dual. Observe here. So like this we can convert the string to the date. So when it is useful, sir? When it is useful, listen. Yesterday we discussed about toChar function. Yesterday we discussed about toChar function. You tell me we want to display year 4 digits. We want to display year 4 digits. Year 4 digits from today's date. We want to get year 4 digits from today's date. What we are trying? Select. Which function we have to use? Which function we have to use? toChar. toChar of today's date we want. This date. So first argument is which data type? First argument is which data type? Date data type. This date function returns today's date. First argument which data type? Date data type. Okay. From this date we want to get year 4 digits. From dual we are writing. What it gives now? 2022 it gives. So this 2022 is the string. From today's date we are getting year. Now display 4 digits year. Display 4 digits year. Display year 4 digits from specific date. Okay, so display year 4 digits from specific date. I am giving specific date here. That specific date is 25 December 2019. From this date I want to get the year. So if we write like this, see here, select toChar of, what is the date value now? 25 December 2019. From this year, what we want to get? Year 4 digits from dual. If we write like this, it gives error. Okay. So here sysdate is which type? Date type. So first argument it is expecting date type. So because of first argument is the date type, from the date it is getting year 4 digits. But here 25 December 2019 which type? String type. So from the string it is unable to collect the 4 digits here. So we have to pass this first argument as the date now. So to convert this string to the date, which function we have to call now? toDate function we have to use. So now here we are using toDate function. Okay, that's it. Observe, I'm showing it. See, select. I want to get 4 digits year from today's date. What we have tried? toChar of sysdate comma YYYY from dual. Observe what it is displaying. Year 4 digits it is displaying. Okay, like this, from specific date we want to get year 4 digits. So toChar of, so the specific date we are giving as 25 December 2019. 2019. From this date, we want to get year value. From dual, we are writing what it is telling, invalid number. First argument we have to pass as date value, but we are passing string. Okay, in such type of situations, we need to convert this string to the date data type. So to convert this string to the date data type, here which function we are calling? ToDate. Using ToDate function, this 25 December 2019 string. So using ToDate function, 25 December 2019, we are converting to the date value. So this format can be understood by the, this format can be understood by the Oracle. So you have no need to tell the format. This format can be understood by the Oracle. So you have no need to tell the, this format can be understood by the ToDate. So you have no need to tell the format. So ToDate function converts this string to the date. Now first argument is the date. From this date, it captures, it extracts 4 years digit. From which table? Dual. Observe here what it is giving. 2019 it is giving. Okay, to get year part, or day part, or month part, or weekday part, or quarter part from today's date, directly in the to-char you can write this date. But from specific date means you cannot give directly, you must convert that specific date to the date value. Okay. Sometimes interviewer may ask like this. Find the weekday name. Find the weekday name on which India got independence. So on which weekday name, on which weekday India got independence? That is our requirement. On which weekday India got independence? So this is the most common interview question. Find the weekday name on which weekday India got independence. So find the weekday name on which weekday India got independence. This is our requirement. So our Independence Day date is 15 August 1947. On this date, what is the weekday? Sunday or Monday, we want to find. Okay, so what we have to write? Select. Okay, can we write like this? To-char of from this date value, we want to find the weekday name. So to get the weekday name, we can use 3 formats: D or DY or DAY. We can use any one among these 3 formats. We can use D or DY or DAY. D means it gives week numbers, like 1 means Sunday, 2 means Monday, like this. Okay, DY means for Sunday SUN, for Monday MON, like this. Day means it gives Sunday, Monday, like this. Full weekday name it will display. Okay, that format we have to tell here. I am writing DY. Okay, from dual. Can we write like this? No, it gives error. Why it gives error? Because first argument, it is expecting date value, but which value we are passing? String value. Okay, so to convert this string value to the date value, what we have to write here? ToDate. So we are converting that 15 August 1947 to the date value. So now it finds the weekday. Okay, maybe Friday. Maybe on Friday, we got independence. Okay, let me find it. Observe here. Select to-char of ToDate of, okay, 15 August 1947. Okay, so this is the date value, first argument we are passing. From this, what we want to get? DY part. From dual. What it is returning? Observe here. Friday it is given. So on Friday we got independence. Next. So For example, the question is, okay, find weekday, find weekday of Sachin's birth date. Find weekday on Sachin's birth date. So Sachin's date of birth is 24 April 1973. 24 April 1973 is the Sachin's date of birth. So on which weekday Sachin born? We want to find now. That is our requirement. What we have tried? Select to care of to date of. Okay, Sachin date of birth is 24 April 1973. So this is the first argument we are passing, date value. We want to find the weekday name, full weekday name we want. So what we are writing? Day from 12. So if we write like this, okay, it gives the weekday name here. So observe here what it is giving? Tuesday. Sachin born on Tuesday. So like this we can use to date function. Now to insert the record, to create the tables, so one file I provided to you. To create the EMP table, department table, one file I provided, just observe here. Here this is the query for creating EMP table. And to insert the employee record, some queries are there, observe here. To insert date value, which function he used here, observe. To date. To date of, he is giving some value. This format he is telling, observe here. To date function he is using to insert the date value. Why he is using to date function, sir? Listen. So let me create one table. I want to create one table here. So create table. Table name is date demo. Field name F1. I am giving this as date data type. Bracket close semicolon. Now table will be created. I want to insert the date value now. So insert into, what is the table name? Date demo. I want to insert one date value here. I am inserting one date value as 17 October 2018 value I am giving. So now does it insert the record now? Does it insert the record now? It inserts the record. It displays message as one row created. Already we have seen this example, the initial sessions. So here 17 October 2018, which data type? String data type. This string data type will be converted to the date data type. This conversion we are calling as implicit conversion. Here implicit conversion has taken place. But Oracle company is suggesting that don't depend on implicit conversion. To insert the date value, always use to date function. So because of that reason, don't insert like this. As of latest versions, you can use like this, no problem. But in the future versions, it may available or not, we don't know. So that's why it's better to use which function here? To date. So using to date function, I'm inserting one more date here. So 23 August 2017 I'm giving. So now is it insert this record? Yes, it inserts the record. It displays message as one row created. So to insert the date value, you can give like this. But here is it date value? No, this is which type value? String value. The string will be converted to the date, that is implicit conversion. Here in the second example, this is the date value. Sorry, this is the string value. That string value will be converted to the date by the to date function. The string value will be converted to date value. Who is converting? To date function is converting. So this is called what? Explicit conversion. So Oracle company is suggesting that don't depend on implicit conversion, always do explicit conversion. So to insert the date value, it's better to use to date. That's it. So observe here, let me create this table. Create table. Table name is date demo. First field, which data type? Date data type we are giving. So table is created. We want to insert the record now. insert into table name is date demo. We are giving the date value here 25 December 2019 I am giving. Does it insert this record? Yes, record will be inserted. Implicit conversion, sorry, values I didn't write, I'm sorry, values I didn't write in this example. Sorry, here also I didn't write. Insert into date demo values we have to write. Insert into date demo values. Okay, insert into date demo values. I am giving value as 25 December 2019. So this is the string value. The string value will be inserted, will be converted to the date, and that will be inserted in the date column. This is called implicit conversion. So now open the table and see the data. Select star from date demo. Observe here, date value is inserted. Okay, now this is date value only. Okay, we have given value as string, but implicitly this string value converted to the date, and in the date column it is stored. Now one more record we are inserting here. We are using one function, toDate function.